India versus Pakistan, again try. First game Pakistan lose, now again try will be. Because before the Pakistani team is lose the match. Now again Pakistan versus India again started the match. Qatar National Sport Day 2023, 14 February at G4S Sports Ground. Will be again try with a powerful match is the Pakistan versus India. Pakistan again try. Zazar kawa mustajab kana. Yeah, Mustajab Ahmed again coming.
India versus Pakistan.
Yeah, just again the Pakistan versus India again will be try.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Mr. Mustajab Ahmed and otherwise Pakistan sports team. Qatar National Sports Day events, the main director.
Mr. Nisar, welcome to Sport Day.
Yeah, just will be start only 2 minutes. Pakistan versus India. Again the match started.
Mr. Raju, manager.
Sports minister manager is the Mr. Raju coming in the sports ground now. Mr. Thepik.
Director of
Pakistan again will be try before match is lost.
This one, so
Only selected people are coming only.
Pakistan versus
India.
Pakistan versus India.
Pakistan versus India. Again will be try. Mustajab Ahmed, well done, Mustajab Ahmed. Well done, Mustajab Ahmed. Well done, Mustajab Ahmed. Well done, Mustajab. Well done, Mustajab. Well done, Mustajab Ahmed. Well done, Mustajab Ahmed. Well done, Mustajab. Well done, Mustajab. Well done, Pakistan. Well done, Pakistan is the win by the match. This one again. Pakistan, good luck. Good team, Pakistan. Mustajab Ahmed and otherwise team with the Pakistan good. Pakistan win second match.